Hello, my name is Roman Slack, and today I'm going to be going over the Skema AI Life Management Suite that I built. So let's go ahead and just log in real quick. So we're immediately taken to this dashboard, and before I jump in, let me just kind of go over some of the highlights of this project. So first off, 80% of this entire platform was made by Claude Code in one prompt using the UltraThinkV2 system. Additionally, everything is from scratch, made with Claude Code or coded by hand by myself. The total development time is around 6 hours, and it is fully open source, so feel free to set it up yourself. It's very easy with Docker Desktop, natively developed in Ubuntu, and utilizes a Python FastAPI backend and a React Next.js frontend. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So what we can see on this dashboard is kind of this mega dashboard that's combining elements from things like Figma. It's combining things from Trello as well as Google Calendar, and kind of Google's AI Gemini as well. And so let's just immediately get right into it. So using the advanced AI features, we can do something like this. Hey, I just finished the record video quest. Please mark it as complete. And we should see that that is going to be marked as complete. Just like that. Excellent. So now, let's create some calendar events. So let's go ahead and ask it to do that. Hey, can you create a calendar event titled Do Video Demo of Skema, Skema, and schedule it for 7 p.m. tonight? Thank you. And let's see what it does. Give it a second. And just like that, we can see we have Do Video Demo of Skema in our calendar for 7 p.m. Excellent. So now what if I want to change the time? So I can just be like, hey, actually, can you change that calendar event to start at 8 p.m.? Thank you. Let's see if it's intelligent enough to make that change. And we can see in the bottom left, it was very, very subtle, but this now says 8 p.m. Just like that. Excellent. So I think we should do some other actions with this intelligent AI feature, which is kind of the biggest thing about this that I really want to use it for, and that's why I built the tool. Hey, so I finished making dinner. Can you please delete the quest, make dinner? So let's see if it can delete the quest, make dinner. And just like that, the quest is deleted from my quest today. Amazing. So now let's do some more advanced stuff. Let's try adding 2 quests at once and see if it kind of gets the nuance of that. Hey, can you please create 2 quests? One titled Go for a Run Today, and the second titled Edit Video. Thank you. So let's see if it makes these 2 quests. Just like that, quite quickly, we have these 2 quests made. So now let's head over to the AI mode, and let's kind of experience the features here. So we're going to do an even more advanced thing, which is going to be this. Hey, can you please search up the weather currently in Rome, New York, and tell me if it's going to affect any of my quests today? And so this mode allows you to actually kind of make your prompts a little bit better. It's more like a traditional, ChatGPT type interface. So let's go ahead and send this and see what it does. Okay, so we have currently in Rome, New York. It's mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. The temperature is around 86. It's telling me it might be best to reconsider my Go for a Run Today quest. And currently, it is pouring rain, so I don't think I'm going to be going for a run. That's amazing. This is really useful stuff. We can even ask it pretty general questions not related to these tasks, such as, Hey, can you search online and tell me how the stock market might perform tomorrow? Thank you. Let's go ahead and see if it can use Serper, which is the tool, one of the tools involved, as well as OpenAI, to complete this task. You just have to give it a little bit of a second. Okay, so stock outlook. It's looking like revenue gains remain unchanged. And we even have a nice link. Let's go ahead and check that out. That's awesome. Great, let's just tell it thank you and see what happens. Well, I didn't type the U, but I think you get the idea. So that's really the bulk of Skema. Of course, I think the best modality to interact with it is through the AI modes, as it is just extremely quick, as well as really reliable. But we can take a look at some of the other features like the boards. We can see here, we can make a board titled Think of Ideas. Go ahead and create that board. We have our board here. We can go to our calendar view. We can see the video demo that I'm currently doing now. So that's awesome. It does look like you put it on the wrong date, but that could be something with the time zones that I could change. We can go over to our journal. We can say we do have a journal entry. So if I want to, do some journaling, I can do that. Change the color maybe. We can see our quests right here. We can rearrange them. Let's add a quest. Complete video, just like that. As quickly as I type it, we can go back to our dashboard and see our quest. We can even ask down here, hey, give me an overview of my quest today. So we just added that quest, and let's see if it will show up. Excellent, so we can see complete video is still pending. We even have a nice settings page where we can adjust all sorts of things. We can clear our account data if we need, do all sorts of things. We even have a search feature. So if I search for, say, edit, we should get our quest right here. Or if I search for Skema, it's going to show up that calendar event. And that's what Skema has to offer, fully open source. And I think I'm really proud of what this can do. Now, kind of looking into the future, I would love for this to evolve into something that you can perhaps have an earbud, and it can act even more as an assistant to your life, as it's kind of in this suite of other tools to manage things going on in your life. So that's where I see the future of it, and I'm going to work towards that goal. But for now, I think this is a really good testament to what AI coding tools can achieve, as well as what people that know how to use them can achieve. As something like this in, say, 2019 could have taken a significant amount of time compared to now, where I start from complete scratch and build it up exactly as I want it. So with that, I thank you for your time, and I will link everything in the description if you'd like to check out the GitHub page. So thank you very much.